In this video, we'll guide you step by step through setting up and customizing your Panchang widget using the Divine API dashboard. The Daily Panchang widget provides your users with valuable insights into Vedic calendar details such as Tithi, Nakshatra, and auspicious timings. By integrating this widget, you can offer a seamless and informative experience to your visitors. Let's begin. First, log in to your astrology dashboard. Simply visit the login page, enter your registered email ID and password, and click Sign In. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. From your dashboard, locate the Widgets option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will take you to a list of all available widgets. Look for Indian Astrology and select the Daily Panchang widget to access its customization panel. Now it's time to integrate the widget into your website. Once you're in the customization panel, you'll see 3 integration methods. You can choose the script code snippet if you want to embed it directly into your website's HTML. If you need more flexibility across platforms, the iframe code snippet is a great option. And for WordPress users, there's an easy-to-use shortcode specifically designed for WordPress pages or posts. Once you've decided which method works best for your setup, simply click the copy icon next to the code. Then, paste the code into the appropriate section of your website's backend. That's it, your widget is now live and ready to enhance your site. Customization is where you can tailor the widget to your website style. Start by clicking the +Create New Setting button to create a new configuration or select an existing one to edit. Name your setting, for instance, Panchang Widget Custom. From here, you can personalize the widget's design to seamlessly blend with your website. Explore pre-designed color themes such as Serenity or Evergreen, or fine-tune the colors to perfectly match your branding. Additionally, you can choose fonts that complement your website's style, whether you prefer an elegant and classic look like Cormorant Garamond or a sleek and modern feel like DM Sans. Additionally, update the heading and subheading to personalize your widget. For example, you can set the heading to Daily Panchang, Discover Auspicious Timings, and the subheading to Explore Vedic Calendar Details with daily insights into auspicious timings and rituals. You can also configure the content displayed within the widget. Choose to show or hide specific sections such as sunrise and moonrise timings, Tithi, Nakshatra, Ritu, or auspicious and inauspicious timings, and many other sections. This ensures the widget displays only the information most relevant to your audience. You can also rearrange the sections to prioritize the most important information for your visitors. For example, you might place sunrise and moonrise at the top, followed by Panchang and auspicious timings. Simply drag and drop the sections into your desired order. All changes update in real time, so you can preview how the widget will look. Before finalizing, review the widget to ensure it looks perfect on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. When satisfied, click Save to store your changes. After saving, click the Back button at the top of the Settings panel to return to the main widget page. From there, copy the updated integration code and embed it into your website's backend. Your Panchang widget is now live and ready to provide valuable insights to your users. And that's it. You've successfully set up and customized your Daily Panchang widget. This feature-rich tool enhances your website by offering your visitors accurate and timely Vedic calendar information. For further assistance, visit our support center or contact our team. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.